In this video, we will learn how to fix Epic Games Launcher setup wizard ended prematurely. So in order to fix Epic Games Launcher wizard ended prematurely, first all you need to do is head to the task manager of your PC. After opening up task manager of your PC, all you need to do is just click on your Epic Games Launcher and end task. You can also end your Epic Games Launcher by typing it from the top hand side of your search screen. So as currently Epic Games is turned off, we are not seeing it in here. So after you have turned your Epic Games off, exit your task manager. Now all you need to do is head to the search panel of Windows. From here type run, then click on open. After opening run, in here type local app data %, then click on open. So after coming to the local folder of app data, you will see two folders called Epic Games and Epic Games Launcher. All you need to do is just delete both of them. After deleting them, thus exit your folder. So after the deletion is done, we will just open up our browser and download Epic Games yet again. So after coming to your browser, in the search panel of your browser type Epic Games download. Now head to the first website. From here, you can download Epic Game by clicking install on Windows. Now start the download. Now we'll wait until the download is done. So after the download is done, all you need to do is just double click on the installer to open it. From here, you'll need to click on the repair option. Then click on repair. After repairing your Epic Games Launcher, any issues regarding the installation will be fixed and it will launch without any issues further. So after the repair is done, we'll just open up our Epic Games from the search panel of Windows. And now as you can see, Epic Games is launching without any issues. So this is how you can easily fix the Epic Games Launcher setup wizard prematurely ending error on your PC. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.